Uh, Good day, everyone. My name is Adeniji Toybadituji from Alice Concept Innovation. And today, I'm going to take you on how to set up your ICAP account. That is the how to create an account on the new AI-powered CAC registration portal. So the first thing you have to do, you have to go to the link. That is, you open your browser, either you're using a Chrome, Firefox, or any type of browser. So you are going to enter the link. So the link is icrp.cac.gov.ng. Then you click on enter. So this is the interface. You can see sign up. You can see the sign up button, the login, and this is a new AI powered interface. You can see say welcome to the official company registration portal of the Corporate Affairs Commission, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Please use the links below for your information, for more information. So now they are showing you the steps in registering a new company or business. So you have to conduct a public search, you reserve a name, then you register a company with your availability code. That's where the registration stops. And after you are done with your registration, you can change you can make changes on your existing business on the post incorporation portal. So what you are learning today is how to create an account, right? So you go to the top, you click on sign up. So you click on sign up. So you can see we have three different accounts. We have the public account. The public is they say any member of the public can create a user account to register entities for themselves. During registration, you'll be required to act as a director, trustee, or proprietor, depending on the type of entity. Please ensure all information provided is accurate and complete. Note, you only have access to pre-incorporation services as a public user. That is, if you are registered as a public user, you won't have access to the post incorporation services. So now this is for the accredited agent. You can see an accredited agent account allows you to register an entity on behalf of a third party. To qualify as an accredited agent, you must meet at least one of the following criteria. You must be a lawyer or a chartered accountant or a chartered secretary or administrator. Note, you have access to both pre-incorporation and post-incorporation services as an accredited user. So that is to say, if you are an accredited agent, you can register a business on behalf of someone else. Unlike the public user, where you are going to be the automatic director, automatic proprietor, automatic business owner. But on the accredited agent portal, you can register on behalf of any kind of person or any kind of business, any kind of company. So, but to be an accredited agent, you are gonna be you are going to be a lawyer or a chartered accountant or a chartered secretary. So, for the entity account, they said companies, businesses, and incorporated trustee may not apply to this. May now apply to the commission of the creation of a account for their entity. That is, for the entity account, so one of the difference between the old and the new portal is that on the old portal, there is nothing like entity account. But the new portal, we have entity account. That is, the entity a company can register for post incorporation services on their own. So let's try to create a public user account. So when you click on public user, you click on continue. So this is the account creation page. You can see public user account creation. So we have the personal details, the account details, and the address. That's the three basic things that are required. So for the surname, you are going to enter the surname. Let's try to use a template, a rough work. So let's say the surname of the bank account you are creating is like Ola Olaniyan Ahmed Babatunde. And don't forget, if you are using the public user account or if you are creating a public user account, make sure all the information are correct. And make sure that the arrangement of your name must go in line with the way you arrange your name on the NIN. Because most of the issue people are facing right now is that the way they wrote their name on the NIN slip is different from the way they created or their CAC portal. So don't forget that. So for the date of birth, you are going to select, you are going to write the month, let's say April 14, 1997. So the gender, you are going to select male, nationality, Nigerian. So let's try to, now we are done with the personal details, now the account details. The account details, that's the place you are going to insert the phone number, the Gmail, the username and the password and the means of identification. So let's try to use a rough phone number. Let's say the number we are using is 070 611 374 87. We are going to check the phone number if the phone number is already registered on the system or not. So as you can see, let me try to show you again. You can see checking phone number. Then that means the phone number is available to be used. So now you are going to enter the email. And don't forget the email too must be available. So let's try to use a rough email. Let's say you are going to use adex fusion email at gmail.com. You can see it's checking the email if the email is already registered on the system. So I just copy and paste to confirm the email. So you can't copy and paste on this portal. I've forgotten about that. So I'm going to type it again as adex fusion email at gmail.com. So you can see the Gmail is correct. So now at the username, we are going to create a username for the user. So let's say the account I'm creating is Fusion Fusion as my username. You can see. Let me show you something. It's check the system if the username is already there. You can see checking username. It is available. So now the password. You can see username is already taken. So I have to change. I have to add something new to it. Let's say I use Fusion Adex. You can see checking username. So you are going to enter a password. So the password can be anything. You can use, let me use a simple user password. I can't show you a password. So the password does not match. Okay. So we must use a special character. Okay, let's try. Let me try to change the password again. So the password is correct. So you have to write your occupation, your job description. Let's say occupation is self-employed. Self-employed. You see, means of identification, national ID. So I there might be a problem here because I don't know if it's going to check if the NIN is correct or not. Let me just try. So, so I think it's not checking. So now the country is Nigeria. Let me use state maybe like let's use Oyo State or let's use Lagos. Lagos local government. Ajeomi Ifelodun. The city Jegunle Papa. So the house number, I use number 10, Old Street. That's just a, you can see you are done with the address. So you are going to check again for error, the personal detail, if it is correct, your account details, you can see. So then you click on register. So as you are registering, the email will be notified that an account has been created. You can see a link has been sent to adesfusioninno@gmail.com. Kindly check your email, including spam, and follow the link sent to confirm your email address. So that's how you are going to create an account. Then you click on continue. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to confirm the email. You are going to confirm your email address. Then you are going to log in. And like I said earlier, when you are logging in, they are going to send you an OTP for you to log in. Then you enter the OTP and do what? And you log in. So that's about that. But let me try to log in an account. Let me try to log in so you can get the way you're going to log in. So I want to log in with an email. So I'm going to enter the email. Let's say this is a public account. So let me try to log in with one of these. So I'm going to log in now. You can see when you click on the login, an OTP has been sent. You can see, like I said, it is just 60 minutes. So I'm going to enter the OTP now. Then submit. So now this is the, you can see public user. See, that's the public user account. You can see that that's the public user account. So this is the interface. We have the name installation, name requiring consent, and we have the registration. We have the registration. You can see it's loading. You can see. So thank you, and that is that for today. We are going to continue on our next class.